There are two major types of reactions that alkyl halides can undergo, and Chapter 7 takes a look at the first of those reactions. So the reaction that we will study in this chapter, the overall reaction looks like this, where you have an alkyl halide and you are putting it in with a nucleophile, and you see that there's a new bond formed between the R group and the nucleophile. So this is a new carbon nucleophile bond. And you displace the halogen as an anion. And so overall, we would say that this is a substitution reaction where the bond that was between the carbon and the halogen has been replaced now between a carbon and a nucleophile. A new bond has been formed. So there's kind of a few different ways that we could envision this reaction taking place if we were to draw out the electron movement. So one possibility would be a two-step process where the sigma bond is broken and a carbocation is formed. And so the halogen comes off in one step. And in the second step, the carbocation is then attacked by the nucleophile to form the new bond. So that would be bond breaking between these two, followed by bond formation in a second step. So a second possible way that the reaction could happen is maybe the new sigma bond is formed between the nucleophile and the carbon, and then the old sigma bond is broken in a second step between the carbon and the halogen. But hopefully, if you take a look at this second possibility that we've brought up, you notice a problem. An alkyl halide already has a complete octet at the carbon. It has this form here. And so if you're introducing a nucleophile, you're now exceeding the carbon octet. So this exceeds the carbon octet. So this is not possible, the second possibility. We can rule this out. But another reaction mechanism that could be possible would be a one-step mechanism where the new sigma bond between the nucleophile and the carbon is forming at the same time that the old sigma bond between the carbon and the halogen is breaking. So at the end, we're left with these two possibilities where you have a two-step bond breaking followed by bond formation, or a one-step where everything's happening at one time.